If your computer is slow or has low specification, finding a good Android emulator can be difficult. Many emulators lack freeze or crashes on old PCs. There are some lightweight options that work well even without a dedicated graphics card. The first emulator is MemoPlayer 9. It's run on Android 9 and works smoothly on PCs with at least 2 CPU core and 4 GB of RAM. It supports useful features like key mapping, screen recording, and running multiple apps at once. Number 2. The Lenovo Emulator. It's simple and lightweight, making it a good choice for a low-end system. However, it doesn't include the Google Play Store, so you need to install apps using APK file. Number 3. SmartGaga. It's designed for an older computer and works with just 2 GB or 3 GB of RAM. It's especially popular games for like Free Fire and PUBG Mobile. Finally, Momo Nebula is one of the lightest emulator available. It can run on system with only 1 GB of RAM and doesn't require virtualization. Choose the emulator that best fits your PC and enjoy Android apps without slowing down your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.